Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have DOOGEE S Punk and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Firstly, open your calendar application. In it, we must choose our day when we want to add our event. We tap on month and there we have all day when we can do that, maybe 80 of October, and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event, what you need. There we can access this event as it is about our family, work or something like that. There we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, or we can set it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. Add location of that notification, and we can add more than one notification and make custom notification. We can change color about this event in our notification panel. Add description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and we have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.